Ever felt that mini heart attack when you reach for your YouTrip card, ready to conquer that online shopping cart or grab that delicious street food abroad, only to be met with nothing? It's inactive. Frozen. Locked. That little piece of vibrant plastic suddenly feels like a useless paperweight. You're probably thinking, ugh, not this, and maybe even letting out a frustrated sigh. Trust me, we've all been there. Whether you've just received your brand spanking new YouTrip card and are itching to use it, or maybe you haven't used it in a while and it's decided to take a little nap, or perhaps, in a moment of caution, which is always a good thing, you proactively locked it, the burning question remains, how do you actually unlock this thing and get back to your seamless global spending? Well, you've landed in the right place. Consider this your friendly guide to getting your YouTrip card up and running again. We're going to walk through the simple steps, ensuring you can wave goodbye to that locked status and hello to effortless transactions, wherever you are in the world. The good news is that YouTrip has made the unlocking process incredibly straightforward, leveraging the power of their mobile app, the very same app you use to sign up and manage your account. So, ditch the frantic searching for a physical help desk or complicated phone calls. Everything you need is likely right in your pocket. Let's dive into the most common scenario, unlocking a newly received YouTrip card. When your shiny new card arrives, it's usually in an inactive state for security reasons. Think of it as a safety lock, ensuring no one can use your card before it reaches your hands. To activate it, you'll need to link it to your YouTrip account via the app. First things first, make sure you have the YouTrip app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for a prompt or notification indicating that your new card has arrived and needs activation. This might pop up automatically when you open the app. If not, don't worry. Navigate to the cards section within the app. Here, you should see your physical card listed, likely with a status indicating it's inactive. Tap on your inactive card. You'll usually find an Activate Card or a similar button. Click on it. The app will then guide you through a simple verification process. This typically involves scanning the QR code located on the back of your physical YouTrip card. The app will use your phone's camera for this, so make sure you have good lighting. Simply align the QR code within the frame shown on your screen, and the app should automatically read it. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, you might be asked to verify your identity with a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered mobile number or email address. Enter this OTP in the designated field within the app. And just like that, your brand new YouTrip card should be activated and ready to use. You might even receive a confirmation message within the app. Now, what if your card was previously active but is now locked? This can happen for a few reasons. Perhaps you intentionally locked it through the app for security, or maybe the system automatically locked it after a period of inactivity or due to a suspected unusual transaction, though YouTrip will usually notify you in such cases. The process to unlock a previously locked card is very similar to activating a new one. Head back to the cards section in your YouTrip app. You should see your card listed with a locked or frozen status. Tap on the card. You'll likely find an Unlock Card or Unfreeze Card button. Tap on it. Again, for security reasons, you'll likely be asked to verify your identity. This might involve entering your YouTrip app passcode, using fingerprint or facial recognition if you've set it up, or receiving and entering an OTP. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once the verification is successful, your card should be unlocked and ready for action once more. In most cases, the unlocking process is instantaneous. However, if you encounter any issues or don't see the activation/unlock options within your app, it's always best to reach out to YouTrip's customer support. They are usually very responsive and can guide you through any specific situations you might be facing. You can typically find their contact information within the app's help or support section. So, the next time you find your YouTrip card in a locked state, don't panic. Just reach for your phone, open the YouTrip app, navigate to your cards, and follow the simple steps to unlock it. It's designed to be quick, easy, and get you back to your global adventures in no time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.